Home-based business record keeping made easy. Home-based business record keeping is important for making sure all orders are processed, employees are paid on time, and so you'll be able to keep an eye on stock and other products that comprise your company. This includes expenses and other expenses. You might not have too many products to keep track of when you start your business. However, as your service grows, you will notice that there will be a growing number of things to do in order to keep your business running. Marketing products, client email lists, and examples of your work, if necessary, will require to be tracked. But there are a few simple ways that you can build home business records keeping into your organization. Investing in a fire evidence filling cabinet is one of the best methods to keep track of documents. Every 6 months or so, you ought to clean them out and shred documents you no longer require, or discover another place to keep them. Another method to save home-based business records is to buy computer software applications for all of your billing and financial records. You can keep a lot of information using computer system software. Depending on what you require stored, you might need just one program. Knowing how to utilize these programs is simple and will not take too long to learn. As soon as you have discovered how to use the software applications, you will be able to print off invoices, add costs, and monitor client orders. This will likewise allow you to minimize paper storage. Charting others and finishing assignments is easy if you have a message board to hang or compose down what you require to achieve during the day. You will be astonished by just how much effort and time you will save when you buy a few office products such as a message board. Other products you might wish to purchase include markers, pens, notepads that you can write products down on in order to remember them later. When you choose to run a service, you do not require to spend a lot of cash developing a workplace. Home business record keeping will allow your service to grow as you take on more customers. House businesses records keeping is vital for making sure all orders are processed, employees are paid on time, and so you'll be able to keep track of inventory and other items that make up your organization. As your organization grows, you will discover that there will be more and more to do in order to keep your services running. There are a couple of easiest methods that you can construct house business records keeping into your service. House organization records keeping will enable your business to grow as you take on more customers. Now, I do hope this video has helped you a little bit and given you the ideas of how to go about keeping your records up to date. If you want other information on how to earn money, how to make money, how to join the internet programs, things etc., that's what I do. I have over 100. I have a site with YouTube. The link is below this video. I have over 200 videos on how to do business, how to start business, how to learn business, what to do and what not to do. The link's underneath. If you want to learn more, just click on the link and go to my site and go to YouTube videos. Also under my video you'll find a like button. Press the like button, that will help me with YouTube. Up the top there's a bell. Click on the bell, that will come off. You click all, YouTube will inform you when I do another video and put it up on YouTube. Below the first link you'll find several links. They are to do with tools I purchase that I use for the internet marketing, also programs I have joined. I like all programs and all tools. That's why I joined and why I purchased. If you wish to do any of the same, if you click on one of my links, join or purchase tools, I will get paid a small commission. This is the way of the internet. It's how we make money. So once more, may I wish you all the best in your internet marketing. Your bookkeeping should be made easier now if you follow some of these suggestions. And above all, whenever you're doing anything or joining anything, please do a search. Google is very good. Whatever you want to know, you can usually find it on YouTube. If you want to know who runs a company, if you want to know how long it's been established, what kind of bookkeeping they do, or what kind of emails they give you to promote their company, all that sort of stuff comes up on Google. Also, YouTube I find very good for information videos. Now all you do is put in how to do bookkeeping, how to make money on the internet, how to ride a bike, how to push a pushchair, all that sort of stuff. That's YouTube, how to. So Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching this video. Hope you do click the like button below, as I need likes on YouTube. So thank you for being here. Hope you do come back. Don't forget the bell up the top also. Cheerio for now.